guys, welcome back to another episode of the amazing Chandler Show. Today, we will be showing you some of my number blocks. That's what these are. But anyway, we have the number blocks 31 to 40 set, which got leaked early. So yeah, let's open it up. We'll get him later, guys. He's just technical issues. Oh, these are seriously falling apart. Oh, so, this is 31, and he loves calendars. That's the reason he has this stand is because he can't stand up properly without it. And I understand why too. But anyway, yeah, this is his calendar mug, and you can use it as a real calendar. Well, not as a real calendar, but yeah. So next up is 32. This is 32, and he likes to double because he is a double number. He can split into 16, two 16s, and those two 16s can split into 4 8s, and those 4 8s can split into 8 4s, and those 8 4s can split into, you get the point. Anyway, yeah, this is 32. Next is the first one that was leaked, the first exclusive character, 33. Now, the football badge is actually some Numberblocks YouTubers' design, and I have absolutely no idea how they got it correct. But anyway, then he likes playing football, just like the 11 and 22. According to what we see, there'll be 3 football teams, and I wonder what the next football team will be. Now, this is 34, and she loves painting, just like 17. I don't know what we have in store for 34, but maybe we might get to see double 17. I wonder what that might be about. Now is another character that's already been here, 35. And he was kind of I can't explain his personality kind of character, because before Series 8, he only showed up like once. But her new traits discover that she likes music, and I have absolutely no idea where they got the passion for music all of a sudden. But yeah, this is 35. Now, the next one is 36. He's a puzzling master and can whip up lots of tricks behind your back. For example, in the episode Puzzle Square, he's very tricky and likes learning puzzles. Next is 37. Now, I'm not sure how to describe his personality, but he's curious and always wonders what's up next. And concluding the photo we have, the episode might be something that we've never even seen before. Now, this is 38. 38 is not that smart because she knows she can split in two, but she never knows what she can split into. So maybe we'll get an episode on that. And look, they have the eyebrows just like 19. Now, this is 39. And he's like 13 and 26. He loves playing games and puzzles, but we're not sure if he's unlucky or not. We'll have to find out in a future episode. And last bit, but definitely not least, in fact, he's the most in terms of number blocks. Get it? 40! Now, 40 likes rectangle things as much as 4 like square things. They had a little episode together, and clearly you can see that we learn on all sorts of things, not just between 40, but between all these 10 number blocks, from 31 to 32 to 33 to 34 to 35 to 36 to 37 to 38 to 39 and finally 40. Hope you enjoyed, but anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Be blessed, feel blessed, and stay blessed, and have a Chandler-tastic day. Also subscribe. Bye!